I'm so excited. I'm sweating under these lights. Jeez. That is so much more than I was expecting. Guys, I'm so excited to be filming this video. You can already tell what it is by the title, of course, but I'm still so excited. So today I'm going to be trying out the new Anastasia Dream Palette. This is the PR package that come in. This is the most beautiful PR package. The glitter, I love it. It's pink and then it's blue. I just love it. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you open it up. It comes with the palette and the brush. This is just a PR package, of course. But here's the palette itself. It's holographic and pretty. Let me just take it out of this box. This is what the outside looks like. And it comes in a little sleeve. Just take off the little sleeve. Are you guys excited? Are you guys so excited? I'm so excited. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. There are 6 shades. This is Wish, Unicorn, Magic, Ethereal, Sunshine, and Regal. And they are colorful highlights so that when you swatch them, it doesn't show up super colorful. It's just like a sheen of the color. This one has like a pink undertone, and this was pink with like a purple undertone. This one's green with like purple, orange, yellow, and then a straight purple. And I already have like my foundation and everything on but highlight. And I'm going to apply these on my cheeks and my eyes. And I'm just pretty much going to put this highlight everywhere because I'm so excited. I just want to drench my body in it. And the brush I'm going to use to highlight with is the Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. And I think I'm just going to, since I'm wearing purple and everything, I'm just going to first dip into Ethereal, the purple shade. Oh, I'm so excited. That is so much more than I was expecting. This is magical. And just for this video's sake, I'm just going to put another color on the other side. And I'm going to use the shade Magic, which is the green one. These shades have a very quite similar undertone. When I turn this way, you can kind of see the green sheen and the purple. Now I'm just going to apply the shade Unicorn on my eyes. I'm just going to try to drench as many of these on my face as possible. I'm just going to use my finger to try to get the most... Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Now I'm going to highlight my nose with the shade Sunshine, which is the yellow one. And as I figured, this would just make me look shiny because I have a more yellow undertone in my skin. So I know this one on its own, like on my cheekbones, is going to look like, it's going to make my skin look just like wet and amazing, and I cannot wait. Just going to put a little bit on my chin. I know I'm just drenching myself like overboard with this highlight, but I told you guys I wanted to drench myself in. I've used all the shades but Wish and Regal, so I'm just going to, I'm going to put this one on my inner corner, and then I'm going to try to find somewhere to put this one. So this is the shade Wish that I'm just popping on my inner corner. I didn't really wear any concealer today, so like my inner corners and my under eyes are pretty dark because I have naturally like pretty bad dark circles, but just didn't want to put on concealer. And I'm also just going to put Regal on my eyes just for the fucks of it. I wasn't expecting that shade. I was expecting that shade to be my least favorite, but that looks so beautiful as well. So I'm pretty sure that these are a different formula than all of their other highlights, and I have to say I think this is my favorite formula of all of their highlights. Even the Amrezy highlight, I think I like the formula even better, and that formula is amazing. This is the best highlight palette that I've tried in so long. You guys are gonna see me use this like all the time probably. I know the lighting changes, it gets darker, so like because of the lightness of the palette, but it really pops. It makes it, oh my god. Anastasia also put out 6 new lipsticks for their summer collection, and I have those as well. This is what the PR package looks like with the 6 new lipsticks. They are all like nude shades. So out of those lipsticks, I think I'm going to go with the shade Sweet Pea because it is like a purpley color, so I feel like it would go good with the purple. I've noticed with these lipsticks, some of the formulas are, depending on the shade, are more matte and some are more creamy. This is one of the more matte ones. I mean, they all appear matte, but like formula wise. If you guys want to see swatches of all these lipsticks, I can do a separate video swatching all of these. You can just let me know. Or you could go on my Instagram and look in my story highlights in my unboxing section. I show swatches of these. I just wanted this video to focus more on the glow kit than the lipsticks. So my final thoughts on the Anastasia's new Dream Glow Kit is that this is fucking amazing, and if you love colorful highlights, just buy this palette. I did not expect to like it as much as I do. Formula is amazing. The colors are amazing. This is probably my favorite glow kit that Anastasia has ever put out, honestly. And you already know that I think the lipsticks are good because I've used so many of these lipsticks on my channel before. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review unboxing type video of the new Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you give this a thumbs up so I will know. Also, if you enjoy my videos, enjoy me and my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I have another pre-filmed video also that will be coming after this video. I just wanted to get this one out. The next one will be a tutorial, so look out for that. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.